Greetings everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set minimum order quantity on Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Now if you are trying to do it from your orders section or maybe products section, that is not possible. Let me demonstrate you guys as well. So you can see we have our title, description, media, category, pricing, inventory, and all that stuff, shipping, variants, but we cannot see minimum order, anything like that. So for that we need to install an application. So search in here for minimum order and search that in your app store. Make sure you spell that correctly. Okay, so you have various options that are gonna simply deliver you the exact requirement of minimum order quantity on the products. So yeah, give it a try to some of these. Eventually you're gonna find any of the required purpose that you're looking for. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.